Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY Twin Tub and the 28lb's portable washing machine. Both of these machines offer compact solutions for laundry, but they come with different features and specifications. In this video, we will break down their capacities, functionalities, and prices to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY Twin Tub offers a total capacity of 26 pounds, which includes 18 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. On the other hand, the 28lb's portable washing machine provides a slightly larger capacity of 28 pounds, with 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning. This difference in capacity can be significant for users who need to wash larger loads. The COSTWAY machine features a simple design with timer knobs and a built-in drain pump, making it user-friendly. However, it lacks advanced settings. In contrast, the 28lb's portable washing machine offers 3 wash modes: gentle, normal, and drain, providing more flexibility for different fabric types. This added functionality can enhance the washing experience for users. In terms of pricing, the COSTWAY Twin Tub is priced at $189, while the 28lb's portable washing machine is slightly more affordable at $179. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. To summarize, both the COSTWAY and 28lb's portable washing machines offer compact solutions for laundry. The 28lb's model stands out with its larger capacity and additional wash modes, while the COSTWAY is a more basic option. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific laundry needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.